Hello guys, are you in a market for a new camera to make videos? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to look at 5 best budget cameras for videos in 2024. Links to the products you can find in the video description and comments below. Let's get started. Number 1 on the list is Sony ZV-1F. The Sony ZV-1F is a top choice for budget-conscious video creators in 2024. Designed with vloggers and content creators in mind, this compact camera offers a 1MP 1-inch sensor, delivering excellent video quality with vibrant colors and sharp detail. It supports 4K video recording at 30p and full HD at 120p. Perfect for capturing smooth, slow-motion footage. The ZV-1F's standout feature is its advanced autofocus system, which includes real-time IAF and real-time tracking, ensuring your subjects stay in sharp focus. The camera's fast f2 zero lens provides a beautiful background blur, ideal for cinematic shots. With a flip-out touchscreen, you can easily frame your shots and monitor yourself while recording. The built-in directional 3-capsule mic captures clear audio, reducing the need for external microphones in many situations. Plus, the compact design and lightweight build make it easy to carry around for on-the-go shooting. In summary, the Sony ZV-1F combines high-quality video performance with user-friendly features, making it an excellent budget option for anyone looking to step up their video content in 2024. Number 2 on the list is DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Pocket 2 is a fantastic budget-friendly option for video creators seeking portability and performance in 2024. This pocket-sized camera features a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth, stabilized footage, making it ideal for vlogging, travel, and dynamic shooting scenarios. Equipped with a 1:1 7-inch sensor, the Pocket 2 captures crisp 64MP photos and stunning 4K video at 60 fps. It also supports HDR video, enhancing the dynamic range and delivering richer, more detailed footage. The Fast F1 8 lens offers impressive low-light performance, ensuring quality videos even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the highlights of the DJI Pocket 2 is its intelligent shooting modes, including Active Track 3.0, which keeps your subjects in focus as they move. The camera also offers a range of creative options like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and panorama, allowing you to add variety to your content effortlessly. With its compact design and intuitive touchscreen, the DJI Pocket 2 is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The built-in 4-microphone system provides excellent audio quality, capturing clear sound from all directions. Number 3 on the list is GoPro HERO12. The GoPro HERO12 is an excellent budget-friendly choice for capturing high-quality video in 2024, especially for those who love adventure and action-packed footage. Known for its rugged durability, this compact action camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a case, making it perfect for underwater shoots and extreme sports. The HERO12 features a 6MP sensor that delivers stunning 3K video at 60 fps, as well as 4K at 120 fps for ultra-smooth slow motion. One of the standout features of the HERO12 is its advanced Time Warp 3.0 mode, which allows you to create dynamic time-lapse videos with ease. The camera also includes a variety of shooting modes, such as Super Photo, HDR, and Night Lapse, offering flexibility in different lighting conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the HERO12 makes it easy to share your content on the go. The intuitive touchscreen and voice control options add to the ease of use, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Number 4 on the list is Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is a compelling option for video creators looking for a budget-friendly mirrorless camera in 2024. This camera boasts a 2MP APS-C sensor that delivers impressive 4K video at 30 fps with full pixel readout, ensuring sharp, detailed footage without cropping. One of the EOS R10's standout features is its fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS f2 system, which provides reliable autofocus with eye and face detection, even in challenging conditions. This makes it ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts who want smooth, professional-quality videos. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it portable and easy to handle. perfect for on-the-go shooting. The EOS R10 also supports 4K at 60 FPS with a slight crop, as well as Full HD at 120 FPS for creative slow-motion effects. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD allows for flexible shooting angles and easy menu navigation. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing content effortless, and you can control the camera remotely using the Canon Camera Connect app. And lastly, number 5 on the list is Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a fantastic budget-friendly mirrorless camera designed specifically with video creators in mind, featuring a 2MP APS-C sensor. The ZV-E10 delivers high-quality 4K video with full pixel readout, ensuring sharp, detailed footage without the need for cropping. One of the ZV-E10's key strengths is its advanced autofocus system, which includes real-time eye AF and real-time tracking. This makes it easy to keep your subjects in focus, whether you're vlogging, filming interviews, or capturing fast-moving scenes. The camera also offers a background defocus button that instantly creates a beautiful bokeh effect, making your subject stand out. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD is perfect for framing shots from any angle, and the ZV-E10's compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go shooting. The built-in directional 3-capsule microphone provides clear audio, and there's a 3.5mm input for connecting external microphones for even better sound quality. And that's it for this video about 5 best budget cameras for videos in 2024. If you liked the video, make sure to press the like button, leave a feedback in the comment section, and subscribe to receive updates about new videos. See you next time.